How to fix Chatgpt. This model is unavailable until your account is secure. In this video, I will guide you step by step if you're facing the error where it says this model is unavailable until your account is secure. Now, the first thing you want to do is log out and log back in. For that, you want to click on your username, then select logout. Now click on logout again. Once you have been logged out, you again want to enter your credentials and log back in. Next thing you want to do is use Chatgpt on incognito mode. For that, click on the three dots. Then select the option New Incognito window. Head over to chatgpt.com and check if your problem is fixed. Next thing you want to do is click on the three dots, then click on extensions. Now click on manage extensions. Here, if you have any VPN or proxy, you simply want to disable that. Then you want to click on the three dots again. Now click delete browsing data. Then select all time for time range and check all of these three boxes. Then click on delete data option. Now you want to open Chatgpt and your problem should be fixed. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.